Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can apply for mortgage on Wells Fargo. For that, you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up web browser, search www.wellsfargo.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on Wells Fargo's website. There you'll see the option of Explore Home Loans. Tap on it. Then tap on Get Started. Now you'll need to fill in the form. Enter your first name, your last name, email address, phone number, home address, zip code, your primary home financing goal, when do you intend to apply, select if you are currently a Wells Fargo mortgage or home equity customer, select how you would like to discuss your home financing needs with Wells Fargo. When you are done, tap on Submit. After you tap on it, Wells Fargo Home Mortgage may call or text you at any phone number that you have provided. This way, you can apply for mortgage on Wells Fargo. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.